Me and Crystal traveled to a land so alive, booking and we found happiness so easy to find. The mountains, the sunlight shining bright, the cool breeze, everything in sight. And awesomeness, the people speak of their ways, their traditions alive in their culture. They stay on the islands, the rivers, the hills all around. Happiness lives in every shore we found. Crystal, my daughter, we look with joy. The world reflects the happiness in your eyes. Tropical skies, the sunlight's glow. Quiet beaches in my heart, I know. But in all these places, in every land, I found your mama right in my hand. My whole world shines with your light. My dear soon-to-be wife will make a family so bright. Helping and looking out in hidden traditions, songs without doubt. We met friends who were happy and true, a family like none other, so much to pursue. The roads in, booking in, shining with joy, with trees and hills, nature's perfect ploy. And awesome as the stars light up the night, hearts full of gratitude, shining so bright. Crystal, my daughter, we look with joy. The world reflects the happiness in your eyes. Tropical skies, the sunlight's glow. Quiet beaches in my heart, I know. But in all these places, in every land, I found your mama right in my hand. My whole world shines with your light. My dear soon-to-be wife will make a family so bright. In Bukidnon I heard the wind sing, and in Alzheimer's the sea played its string. I'm waiting for you, missing you, my dream that our family's joy will forever climb.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, hello guys.
And Mr. Wing being?
We are here in Asinso Global Garden. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
The sunlight's glow, quiet beaches in my heart, I know. But in all these places, in every land, I found your mama right in my hand. My whole world shines with your light. My dear soon-to-be wife will make a family so bright. Looking home, in awesomeness in your eyes, I see my future filled with love that never dies. Crystal, I'll be thankful, so grateful for life. And with your mama, we'll make a family full of light.
Daddy in the UK, stirring up dreams. Pots bubbling over, life bursting at seams. 2 quarters, 2 stars, my guiding beams. Raising queens in the United Kingdom, it seems, where abundance we streams. Just the wind din mulat sa hirap at hamog sa umaga. Sa kabundukan abot kamay ang tara. Kahit ang lupa'y aari ng biyaya. Dugo at pawis, alaala. Patuloy nangangarap. Mataplang pawis ang tubig sa balikat. Isang pilak ang pangarap na kilawak. Mr. Wingba, naling Mindanao, lumaki sa hirap, pero gusto makatulong din sa naghihirap. DaddyTravels, Mr. Wingba, we can love again.
Guys, right here is the boulevard in Azama City. Just look at this place. It's the port of Azamas, and look at this mountain right here. And down there is street food. So we're going to be going down there to meet some people and distribute our cards for DaddyTravels. Sorry guys. So yeah, look at this landscape, guys. Absolutely crazy. That just follows on all the way around. But I'm with my good friend, Mr. Wingbean. He's currently vlogging on his phone. But yeah, this bridge leads to different towns and province. And the port of Azamis is where it probably arrived with our Christmas presents for our friends here. Obviously, like anywhere in the UK or across the world, this port will have everything that's imported for shopping centres and supermarkets and McDonald's, whatever. But yeah, please head over to the YouTube channel and our Facebook page to see the full vlog. So thank you guys. Please subscribe, please follow, and please like. See you soon.
United Kingdom is where we at. The streets feel alive with every stir and fry. I make sure my girls thrive to survive.
Nakatira sa malayong pook, naglalakbay sa hangin, alon at lambak, mga lihim dala ng bawat hakbang, sa angin malamig sa kumukupas sa sinag ng araw. Si Mr. Wingbean ginto sa hardin, nagkukwento ng buhay at pag-asa. May pangarap na hindi kukupas, mga binhi ng buhay na sa awit ay ipinagkaloob. Daddy travels far and wide, through the dust and rain, carrying stories of joy and pain. With each step forward, he leaves a mark like a lantern glowing in.
So hello guys, it's 7 AM in Azamis City with Mr. Wingbean.
Hey guys.
So yeah, please subscribe to MWB TV and DaddyTravels, and make sure to press that like button.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wingbean Noelorong from Philippines. Please support Daddy Travels, my beloved friend, content creator in United Kingdom. Guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel and follow to his Facebook page, Daddy Travels. And of course, please don't forget Mr. Wingbean here in the Philippines.